Hello everyone, this is Divya here, and today we're going to talk about weight gain. As the weight loss is the biggest issue globally, but there is weight gain also a concerned issue among the adolescents and everybody. I mean, the media, which has influenced so much among the youngsters, they want to look like so-called somebody, and they want to look muscular, they want to look leaner, they want to look toned up. The weight differences will not be adequately seen even if they go for junk foods. What they generally do is they pile up on more fats, and they end up having too much of pizzas or too much of pastas, resulting and hoping that the weight would improve. But they wouldn't show that kind of any results. Even if they show that wouldn't be a healthy weight gain. So for having a healthy weight gain, what should an individual do? Maybe a male or female, both of them. These individuals will be categorized into ectomorph body type, where you will have much leaner body. They will be very slim, and their metabolic rate would be very higher. So for them, the diet and along with the exercise to go hand in hand to have a very effective results in their weight gain. For example, they have to do too much of weight training, and should avoid much less cardio exercises, and protein rich diet should be go along with it, so that they can find a very good results. Only with if any one part is being missed out, the weight gain wouldn't be effectively seen in their body. For example, if protein rich diet is not followed and only weight training is being done, the body needs more calories for the muscles, and the reservoirs need more proteins into their body. The amino acids are needed. So if they have to supply those amino acids into the body, so for that they have to as per the recommendations, like 1 kg body weight, 1 kg per body weight, you have to go on a higher range if you have to see more differences. For as per the guidelines, it says like 7,000 calories you need to improve on 1 kg body weight. So these guidelines has to be followed, but these guidelines varies according to individual. It depends on their physical activity, age, gender and everything, but it can be customized as per the individual. So for weight gain, you can go for more protein sources. The best biological source of protein is through egg. The amount of protein to be supplied to those individual can vary. For some people, the number of eggs per day can be taken, it can be vary. They can take in the breakfast or lunch, or they can distribute all throughout the day, and they can supplement those eggs into some other food types also. And to go for some other protein sources, like we have in soyas, in milk, in tofus, and if people who are not comfortable enough with the dairies, they can go for tofus, as I said, and soya products also. And you have good amount of protein in pulses. So if you combine all these protein sources, the vegetarian sources and the animal sources and the meat also, so that you can get a complete biological form of protein into your body. Don't need not to isolate only the protein sources. It has to go along with the carbs and the essential fats. For example, the fats which are present in almonds or walnuts and avocados, these help really good for the weight gains. If all these parts are spared, you will not see an effective result. So all these sources has to go along, and interestingly, the recipes has to made so that the weight gain process whole pathway will be also interesting, and they will see an effective result in their body also.